the winner. Gogu, did you record the timings?
Yes. Aadi finished the lap in 3 minutes, and Eve finished in 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
So, Aadi is the winner.
Congratulations, Aadi. Keep it up.
Thanks, Eva, but it was just a difference of 15 seconds.
Hey, why don't we write a Python code to find the winner?
Great idea.
Wait, have you finished the homework given by our teacher?
Oh no, I forgot.
Aadi, you always forget, and I'm the one who reminds you every time.
Well, that's why you're my best friend. It's your job to save me.
Let me read the question. Accept the age of a candidate and check if they can vote.
How many variables do we need?
Just one for age.
Got it. To accept the age, I'll write.
Next, we need an if statement to check the age.
I'll write.
Wait, you forgot the colon at the end of the condition.
Oops, you're right. Let me fix that. Okay, now I'll add the true part.
Great. Now for the else part, write.
Perfect. Let's execute it.
My age is 13. Let's see what the computer says.
Gogu, what's your age?
Guess.
You're our wise mentor. It must be more than 18. Let's test with 35.
Ooh,
Yay!
Yes! This is fun. Shall we write a program to find the race winner?
Let's do it!
Here's the code.
Now let's test it.
Eve's was 3:15 and my time was 3 minutes. Let's see.
We did it!
Wow, friends. Today we learned how to check voting eligibility using if-else statements and even use Python to find the race winner. Isn't coding fun? It's like being a detective for numbers. Want to see who is the winner? Try it yourself with your own challenges. Until next time, keep coding and keep winning.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.